हाय एवरीवन, इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके. और ये हिंदी में रीडिंग होगी. जनरल है, कलेक्टिव रीडिंग है अबाउट व्हाट यू नीड टू नो राइट नाउ. ओके. सो इट डज नॉट इंक्लूड माई हैंडमेड कार्ड्स. It's just the Ascension card deck and the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Okay. I'm not including my cards right now, and I'll most probably take help from some tarot books as well. But let's see about that. I don't know. I'm not sure whether I will take that help. Okay. There are possibly a lot of things that you need to know right now, by the way. And yeah, तभी मुझे इंट्यूटिवली लगा है that I should do a reading for you. So let's see. So this is Ascension Cards deck by Dinah Cooper. What do the viewers need to know right now? Thank you, spirits, angels and sisters, all the gods and goddesses, spirit guides. Thank you for helping me in all the readings. Please help me in this reading as well. What do the viewers need to know right now? Okay. The card is Orion. It reads, okay, so this basically talks about, this is something that I have been getting an intuitive messages about, going out in nature, doing things naturally since almost a month now. So you have to do that. Okay, maybe if in this pandemic it's possible for you to go out safely with a mask and everything on, definitely, and take a walk without harming yourself or others, then only go out. Otherwise, maybe walk in your in your surroundings, or wherever you find place, or do some yoga, or maybe just do something that makes you feel fresh and feel alive. Okay. And feel one with yourself. And some of you definitely need a lot of rest. Okay. Some of you need to move. Your body needs some movement, and some of you need rest because you have been moving a lot. Maybe your mind is moving a lot. Okay, your mind is exhausted. This is a time where there's a lot of burnout going on right now, from healthcare professionals to everybody. Everybody is burnt out right now. So yeah, that's this card. Okay. Also, you may get some messages from your soul. You may think, like, whatever you feel intuitively, just do it. Okay, but don't put anybody at risk while doing it. Okay. Okay, these are the two cards that fell. So here, okay, interesting. The Cosmic Heart has the number 9, and the Orion card has number 18, which reduces to 9. So 9 can be the life path number of many people who are watching this. It can also be the life path number of somebody who's very important in your soul journey, in your life journey, life purpose, something like that. Okay. Some of you may be star seeds. It's what I'm getting into today. Okay. And somebody with the life path number 9 or soul path number 9 or something like soul number 9 or something like that, they will invoke that particular thing in you. Okay, they will make you invoke that particular aspect of yourself. Okay, that you're a star seed, and I think that's why there's this soul star chakra written here. You can see that. Then there's this Jesus card, and see, here's also, this card is also talking about when the earth's energy was very low, which is right now because of the pandemic. Okay, which is not a very high vibrational thing. So what I have been doing currently, you can also try that. It's just that you can try to listen to high vibrational sounds. Okay, 365 hertz, or maybe even more than that, 528 hertz. Just try to listen to that. Okay, just play that in the background while you're doing your work, or while you're trying to chill, while you are not, if you're not able to sleep, that can also help you. Okay, so that can help you in doing that. uh, okay, this talks about unconditional love and balance. Another thing that is very important during this pandemic is many of the people are getting affected by it even after taking all the precautions. And the virus is spreading really terribly. The thing is, you need to vibrate high, you need to work on a chakra, you need to work on balancing everything. Okay, but you also need to take adequate rest. Okay, for some of you, you are not able to move forward because you are not taking adequate rest, and because of that, or maybe you are surrounded with people who have low vibrational energies, or you are surrounded around people, maybe you're a healthcare worker, you're surrounded with people who are obviously, because they're sick at that time, they're ill at that time, not balanced or healthy at that time. The vibration you get from them is not high. The frequency is not high of that vibration. So you can listen to those songs. Also, you can vibrate high by and bring balance by showing unconditional love. Okay, towards yourself first of all, and towards others who need it. Okay. I will take one more card with this, about what do the viewers need to hear right now. Okay. There are not one but two of them, and that's it with this deck. Okay, don't go away right now. Okay, Mary Magdalene, quite a frequent card in my readings. Uh, Again, it talks about spiritual partner, high initiate, and you know, talks about yellow light. So you may have been seeing yellow light in dreams. Some dreams may be important for you. Some of them may be nightmares. So just let them pass. Uh, if you have felt wrong or misunderstood, I'm reading from this. Mary Magdalene offers you the courage to maintain your integrity. So this card is telling you that you have the courage. If you are facing any kind of difficulty, if you are facing any kind of injustice, then you have the courage. Speak up against it. Okay. Then there's Neptune, which is again number 19, so that may be important for you. Number 9 may be really important for you. Okay. And may be really important for your life purpose as well. Neptune is the planet of higher spirituality, and the wisdom of Atlantis and Lemuria is held within its ascended aspect. You're blessed, for you only receive this card when you're ready to receive this information. So good that you've worked on yourself. That's why you have come here. That's why you are able to receive this information. Good. Your guidance is to tune into your Earth Star Chakra, then connect with Neptune, the cosmic Earth Star Chakra. Okay. See, I don't know personally what is Earth Star Chakra, but instantly what came to my mind was root chakra. So you should work on your root chakra. Archangel Sandalphon oversees the center. He nurtures your divine potential and will help you download the spiritual light you're waiting for. So definitely ask for help if you need it. This will expand your consciousness and greatly assist your ascension journey. Okay. Also, you may have met already, or you're really soon, maybe in June, you're going to meet somebody who's very wise, is what I'm getting with that card. Okay. Now let's see from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Okay. What do the viewers need to hear right now? What do the viewers need to hear right now? Thank you, Spirit. Thank you for all the readings before and for this reading as well. Thank you so much. Please tell me. Please tell me. Thank you. What are the message that is meant to find the viewers of this video? Thank you. What do they need to hear right now? What do the viewers need to hear right now? Or know right now, maybe. Thank you. Thank you, cards. This one is diagonal. The devil in diagonal. Some of you may seriously be having nightmares, is what I'm getting. And for that, some of you need to meditate, some of you need to go out in nature while not keeping anyone at harm. Some of you need to really consult a professional. Some of you need to balance your chakra. So some of you can just listen to healing music, and there are many healing music of various kinds, like rain sounds, like Reiki music, like high vibrational music. So okay, next is the world. Okay, with this particular thing is, I'm not for some of you, very few of you, there can be some possibilities. As I said, some June may be important. Some something that you were waiting for is going to happen because you have worked hard for it. Okay, so you're going to get it, but it's for very few people. Okay, and for most of you, you're overwhelmed by the news around you, by what's happening in the world, by everything. So for some reason, I'm seeing this color as bloodshed here. So you're overly concerned about what's happening. Maybe you are in a position where you're meant to care for people, or maybe you're an empath and you're seriously very concerned about other people, or maybe you're an intuitive person. It can be any reason. I can't just pinpoint all of that. But with this particular cloth, I hope you're able to see that. You're seeing how he's just letting it flow. So you need to let the control go. Don't try to control the situation. You just can't do that. Okay, so let go of control issues. Also let things unfold on their own. Okay, yeah. See, in this card, there's a lot happening in the background, but on the forefront there's a lot of calm. So some of you may be putting up a facade that, oh, I'm okay and everything. Every way of dealing with this situation, this is a pandemic going on right now. So if you, whatever type whatever type of solution you're coming up with to deal with it is okay, unless you're not putting anybody else at risk, or you're including yourself. Okay, and you're not harming anybody. So there's a lot of chaos in you, okay, that is waiting to unleash itself. So sorry to say, but for some of you, with the devil, I'm getting that some of you may already be, some of you are having a lot of breakdowns, some of you will soon experience a breakdown, or and some of you, have are dealing with it, and or have just dealt with it, like in the most recent past, like just yesterday was the last time you had a breakdown. Okay. uh, but some kind of new beginning is on the horizon, since this is the Fool card. Okay. And even if you are not seeing it, whatever the situation is right now, however you're dealing with it is making you wise in some way. Okay. And very wise in some way, which also comes with the next card. Okay. And you're trying to heal other people, you're trying to heal yourself. Okay. And you're trying to connect with nature again, I said. Okay. And you need to connect with nature if you're not. Okay. Because here there are birds, here there is, everything, like stars and all the flowers and everything. So yeah, you need to connect with nature. And with that, having said that, you also need to connect with your true personality. Some of you, as I said, are keeping up with a facade. Okay. So just put up with your true personality, put up with your true nature, or just connect with the nature, like out in the nature, the natural elements, if you can, while not putting yourself and others at risk. And as I said, before, you're trying to heal yourself, you're trying to heal others, and that healing will soon come, because there's this Fool also. Okay. New beginning will come again, because the Fool is the zero, obviously, and then there is death also, which also indicates new beginning. Okay. But with death, the devil diagonal also comes along. So just stop putting up with the facade. That is how you will be able to heal. Yeah. See how they're being minimalistic, and I'm not saying be minimalistic, just be yourself. Okay. Just be who you will be if there is no judgment. Okay. And try to feel one with the nature. If you cannot go out, you may have, most probably may have some flower pots in your veranda or in your balcony. Just sit there for a while around plants, you'll feel good. Okay. Just don't do something for a while, sit there, just observe the nature and everything, and that will do your work. Heart chakra is very important. Wisdom is very important. So 7th chakra is very important. Yeah, 7th chakra is very important. Heart chakra and 7th chakra is very important. So heart chakra and yeah, 7th chakra is what I'm telling you. Okay. So 4th chakra and 7th chakra are very important. I'm not getting about any other chakra in specific, but these two chakra are very important. Try, if you are into drinking a lot, immersing yourself into drinking or any kind of addiction or anything, and you are dealing with that, that addiction will end soon. Okay. So if you're working on that, any negative patterns that you're working on, leaving behind, you will soon leave them behind, because we have the Fool. Okay. And balance will be restored, so don't worry. That is all I have for you today. Yeah, that is all I have for you today. That's all. So how do you like it? And if you like it, hit the like button, comment if it resonates. That's the most important for me. Okay. uh, Share with whoever you want to. The thing is, I make these videos to help people. My primary focus is to help people. My primary focus is that whenever I get these intuitive messages, it's for someone to listen to them. So if I get to know that, yes, whoever wanted to listen to them, these messages has, the message has reached them, they have understood that, I feel very good. It feels like I've served my purpose. So please share this with whoever sees these kind of readings or may find these things helpful. um, like, if you like it, comment, please comment if it resonates, or if you have any other suggestions or something. Okay. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. I'll see you in the next reading. I don't know when that will happen, but I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, stay tuned, and yeah, have a good day. Keep smiling. Bye.